The topic of this video is Operation Guide for DALI Controller. First, let's introduce the DALI system. DALI, Digital Addressable Lighting Interface, namely Digital Addressable Lighting Control Interface Protocol, is suitable for digital dimming systems. Each lamp has an independent location. Through the DALI system software, precise dimming and on-off control can be achieved for individual lamps or any lamp group, regardless of whether these lamps are on the same circuit in strong electricity. The lighting control is not related to the strong current circuit. The DALI system software can independently address single or multiple lamps on the same strong current circuit or different circuits, thereby achieving individual control and arbitrary grouping. This is the schematic diagram of equipment connection for DALI lighting control system. The DALI controller connects the DALI system to the LifeSmart smart system by linking it to the DALI control bus. The following introduces how to connect the LifeSmart DALI controller to the DALI system and thereby connect it to the LifeSmart app for control. Connect the DALI driver and the DALI touch panel in parallel to the DALI control bus, and then connect the DALI control line on the LifeSmart DALI controller to the DALI control bus in the same way. After ensuring normal operation, confirm that the version of the smart station is not lower than 1.0.93p46 and the version of the LifeSmart app is not lower than 1.3.60p8. Go to the Controllers section in the Apps Add Device page and select PSM device. Press and hold the pairing button on the device until the indicator light starts flashing rapidly. Then click the pairing button in the app. Access the device's detail page. Select the desired control range and corresponding operation command. Then click Send command. Noted group information should be configured via the DALI system. Thanks for your time and hope this will be helpful to you.